Welcome back to Livie'S Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, the Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, all my artists, creatives, crafters, and makers. Welcome back to the Lovely Lab, and welcome to this week's Happy Mail. So in the mail yesterday and today came two packages. One from one of the members of the Maker Exchange over on Facebook, our great Facebook community. And the other is a small little order I got in from Spectrum Art. I'm going to drop a link below so that you guys can take a look and see what they have. I haven't shopped on their website, but I participated in one of their Saturday sales. And let me tell you, that was an event. Now, before we get started on that, let me check and see what Marilyn sent. But isn't that the cutest, that little ladybug? Can you guys see that? Is that not the cutest thing? There's ladybugs all throughout this house. It's one on my wall. You probably have seen it in the tour, the craft room tour. That's my husband's nickname for me, Ladybug. And I just love them. And be honest with you, a couple times a year they swarm around the outside of a house. And then at some point they just start getting on my nerves because they make their way indoors and they never want to leave. And they invite their friends. Nevertheless, I still love them. All right, so let's see what, oh my goodness. Marilyn, if you're watching, you did, and I have this embossing folder, but I never thought to do anything like this with it. Isn't that the cutest? Let's take a look at this card. So you got a sister, okay? Because you can see it's brown skin. And then there's a necklace. She made a necklace out of the bling. And then there's some gold bling there. And I'm not sure if this is a punch or if this was some type of ephemera that she had. But I think that is so creative and so adorable. Absolutely love it. Absolutely love it. Oh, something's on the inside. A friend loves at all time, Marilyn. Proverbs 17:17. Yes, a friend does. Yes, a friend does. She sent me some Dragonfly Die Cuts. Oh, that is so awesome. Yeah, I don't have a lot of dies, and I certainly don't have ones of like different shapes and animals and creatures and stuff like that. So it's always good to get die cuts from friends who have more dies than I do. Oh, that is so pretty. I saw this in the group, and she said this is what she, oh my goodness, Marilyn, you did not have to. Let me move that out of the way. Oh my goodness. Let's do it like this. Wait a minute, it feels like there's something else in here. And there is. Okay. All right, okay, so let's take a look here. Oh my, look at the shimmer and the shimmy on that. That is gorgeous. I don't know if I want to use these for people. Isn't that so selfish of me? Maybe I should get my own dies, and that way I won't feel so hesitant about sharing, because I really don't want to share these. These are so beautiful. Look at the sparkle and the is it holographic paper in the back? I would never even think to do that. Well, one, I don't even have that kind of paper, but oh, I just love the way she used the different pattern of glitter paper and to make that. And of course, teal being my favorite color, this is just right up my alley. Look at that. Oh, she sent plenty of them. Okay, we got the black and the gold, the yellow gold, the yellow glitter. Ooh, that's pretty. Black and white newsprint. And ooh, something like a pumpkin spices. Ooh, these would be good during the Halloween. Yes, that one will be. Won't that be? Still have a feminine touch to them without it being overtly pumpkin-y, you know? Look at that. I love those. And then these are two that I just started with. And then she also sent some additional dragonflies. Marilyn, I just want to let you know how much I appreciate you taking time to put these in the mail for me and sharing your stash and your creativity with your fellow maker. And if you guys are interested in joining us over at the Maker Exchange, there's a variety of different creatives over there. We've got sewing machine experts, quilters, crocheters, mixed media artists, card makers, scrapbookers. We have all of that going on over there. Wood burners, jewelry makers. We have those things. We have them. So if you're looking to hang out with a few friends that love to craft and are inspired and enjoy inspiring others, then slide on over to the Maker Exchange. There's a link down in the description box. Look at that. Look at those babies. Oh my goodness, aren't they adorable? Oh, look at that one. Don't they just look like they just want to... Oh, the colors are just, and the glitter. Look at the purple and the pink one. How adorable is that? So, okay, so that I got from Marilyn. Once again, I truly do appreciate it, and I will definitely make use of these in my own journal. Okay, I mean, maybe I'll make some cards with them and share the love, perhaps. And thank you for my wonderful card. This is going to go up on, this is going up in my craft space. Right up over there by my picture of my husband and son. All right, now moving on to Spectrum Art. I received, okay, so they had this, they have what I understand to be like a sale on Saturdays, and they have it's a live sale. And it's hard for me to explain it because I'm not sure what it compares to. I know that there's other people that do their sales live on YouTube. I'm not really familiar with them. That was my first time sitting in on a live, and it was actually my very first time purchasing from a live sale ever. Okay, so one, because y'all know I'm frugal and I don't get into all of that. I don't like to buy, I don't like to impulse shop. And I know how I am, but I resisted. I just bought some of the things that I felt I would be able to use in a variety of different projects. The theme for that day was Alice in Wonderland. Now I'm going to put a link up to Bev from BEV'S Craft Palace, her YouTube channel, because she just put a video up of her haul. She did a live haul, and showing what she got from the same sale and I think a previous sale. So she had purchased a lot more of the collection. Because I think she is an avid fan of, or an avid collector of, Alice in Wonderland. I am not. I love the story for myself, but remember, I'm a boy mom, so it's only so much of that I can get away with, because I gotta ask him how he likes stuff, and he ain't gonna. His response when I show him stuff from Alice in Wonderland, he gonna be unenthused, and then I'm gonna be offended. And so to avoid all of that, I just buy stuff that I like and doesn't require feedback. So okay, so the first thing, I am so glad that okay, so these things came in this envelope. And there's games and stuff going on in that sale. So it's entertaining. She makes it very clear on how to purchase, and then they take the time to show videos on how to use certain supplies, if it's something new or something trendy. But sit in on one of the sales before you actually decide to purchase, or before you are in the market to purchase anything. Although I hate to say it, but even if you're not ready to purchase, you likely will before you get off of the live sale, because it's fun and she has great products at great prices. And they're some of the better known, like not Prima, but oh gosh, you'll see Stamperia. So I got the mixed media art stencil. This is my first large stencil of this size. This is my first Stamperia purchase. I've never purchased a product by them. The reason I got it is because I love doors. It's just that simple. Because I love doors and architecture. I'm not fond of this. I don't believe that I'll be using this. I may not. But let me just open this up so you can see the stencil. probably could have flipped it over. Oh gosh. So this is the full stencil. It says we're all mad here. And I liked the tree. I know that I can use that in different projects. So I got this. This can serve as a door, a window. This can just be used as some ornate mixed media art. But that is essentially what I got this stencil for. Now, if you look on the back, they also give you ideas of how to use it. 3D effect, spray effect, paint, mixed media techniques, and then some additional information here. You may be familiar with all of this. I am not. And I hope that I don't become so acquainted that it becomes commonplace to me. In other words, I don't need to be shopping every week. Although I would like to. I don't need to. Alright, and so... Wait a minute. Yeah. And so this was the other 2 items that I got. The other 3. It's not a large haul. These are just things that I really liked. And it was something that I really wanted. Wait, wrong way. Okay, so we have the rice paper. Decoupage paper. Yep, decoupage rice paper. This is Alice in Wonderland theme with the chessboard. That's probably not how I'm going to use it. Okay. And then, that is so pretty. You can see the detail here. I know you're going to get a glare. But isn't that gorgeous? So when I stopped on to shop, I did not intend to purchase. I was just coming to hang out to go see what was the deal. But when I saw these, I immediately had to purchase them because I know I could use them in my art journal and other different projects. So I loved them. I went on ahead and purchased them. So these are just the 4 items that I purchased. All right, and so anyways, I hope that you enjoyed that, and there will be links to Spectrum Art, their channel, and again, there'll be a link to BEV'S video below as well, so that you can see all of the things, because I just got a few pieces here. All right. So anyways, guys, until we're back here together on YouTube, stay encouraged, stay blessed, stay creative and crafty. Oh, look, a free folder. Bye for now.
If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community, and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie'S Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.